Karnataka Congress leaders' love for Tipu Sultan refused to die down. They even want to change history to portray Tipu Sultan on the brighter side. Karnataka Social Welfare and Mysuru District in Charge Minister H.C. Mahadevappa has made startling revelations. He says it was Tipu Sultan and not the Maharaja Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar who first laid the foundation for the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam. He didn't even say on what basis he was saying so. But why is the minister so concerned about Tipu Sultan, the controversial ruler of Mysuru? It reveals Congress's mindset and the policy of minority appeasement. Congress in Karnataka has a history of trying to make Muslim ruler Tipu Sultan a hero whose intolerance towards other religions, particularly Hindus, is well known in parts of Karnataka. Congress is in the habit of celebrating the birth anniversary celebrations of Tipu Sultan time and again. It all started in 2015 when the government of Karnataka, under the leadership of then Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, decided to celebrate his birth anniversary, describing him as one of the earliest freedom fighters. Similarly, one remembers how in 2016, then Karnataka's Congress CM Siddaramaiah earmarked rupees 60 lakh towards the celebration of Tipu's anniversary. Even in 2022, several local Congress leaders in Karnataka were seen brandishing swords during Tipu Jayanti celebrations at Bengaluru. This was despite a ban on the use of weapons during religious functions in the state. Congress in 2023 even sent a proposal to the centre for the renaming of Mysuru Airport after Tipu Sultan. These incidents certainly show their attraction to a tyrannical Muslim king. But then, there are recorded facts in history which reveal Tipu's barbarian nature. He inflicted untold miseries on the Kodavas in Kurk, the Syrian Christians in Mangalore, the Konkanis, the Nairs of Malabar, the Mandian Iyengars, who were hanged in hundreds on Diwali, due to which their descendants don't celebrate the festival to this day. But for Congress, an appeasement of only one community is all important. These Congress leaders always had their own heroes. But the majority of the masses in Karnataka have decided not to go by the distorted history written by Congress-backed historians.